In this video, we're going to take a look at 7 pool noodle house hacks to make your life easier. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. On this channel, we do house hacks, tips, and product reviews, all focused on optimizing your home life. Please consider subscribing as we're going to drop a new video every week. Now let's get into the video. If your drawer organizer isn't quite snug, try cutting a small piece of pool noodle and shoving it in the back. This way, things won't slide around. If you've ever stubbed your toe on your bed frame, try cutting out a small pool noodle and sticking it around the offending post. This way, you'll have a little cushion. You ever tried filling up a bucket that's too big for the sink? Well, try attaching a pool noodle to the end of the faucet. Then run the water down into the bucket, and voila, problem solved. If you got some boots laying around, try inserting some pool noodles to help keep their shape. This will extend the life of your shoes and help from keeping the leather from cracking. If you have a small garage, try gluing or screwing a halved pool noodle to the wall. This will help keep your car door from getting scratched or bumped. If you want to keep your door from accidentally being locked or closed, try attaching a pool noodle to it. It works as a perfect door stopper. If you want to keep your door wide open, attach it to the opposite side of the door. This way your pets and friends can roam in and out freely. If you have low-hanging hardware that you could injure yourself on, try attaching a pool noodle to it. This will give yourself a soft buffer just in case. Question: in what creative ways have you used a pool noodle? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Video notes and a link to where you can get cheap pool noodles in the description below. Please subscribe so you can check out more videos just like this one, and we'll see you next time. It's a didgeridoo. Is my mustache big? It's the world's largest sweatband.